I lived on my daddy's farm. I was 12 years old. My father had just lost his job. Some say his soul grown cold. We had 120 plants, the northern lights and haze. When the harvest season came, couldn't get the smile off his face. He said it shouldn't be illegal, kids. People just use it for fun. But the police can never find out, so you can't tell anyone. We were happy together, my dad, my brother, and me. And in the time of one grow season, Dad could make a year's salary. Mama left when we were young. Dad knew what to do. He kept clean clothes on our backs. He kept our bellies full. He said it shouldn't be illegal, kids. People just use it for fun. But the police can never find out, so you can't tell anyone. And one day 2 cops showed up. It all went straight to hell. Said we've come to cut down all your plans, take you off to jail. I said I can't let you. Those plans are all I have left. And if you were to cut them down, my kids would surely starve to death. He said it shouldn't be illegal, kids. People just use it for fun. But now the police are here, so go get daddy's gun. My father fired the first shot, and of course his aim was true. He screamed at me to grab a gun, and I didn't know just what to do. But I couldn't do it when I aimed at the cop's head. And the man that I didn't kill was the man who shot my dad. He said it shouldn't be illegal, kids. People just use it for fun. But the police hold your dad's gun. As my dad lay dying, said sorry, this is how it had to be. Don't let this world break your son, not the way that it broke me. Policeman came and grabbed my arm, took me to my hands. I wonder why 2 men had to die all over a harmless land. He said it shouldn't be illegal, kid. People just use it for fun. But the police can never find